Welcome to Kids Planet Corner, a world of fun, learning, and knowledge.
Today, we will discuss daily use English sentences. Do you have your notebook?
Do you have your notebook?
Don't forget your pencil case.
Don't forget your pencil case.
Wear your jacket.
Wear your jacket.
Let's go outside and play some games.
Let's go outside and play some games.
Look at the flying birds outside.
Look at the flying birds outside.
The weather is sunny today.
The weather is sunny today.
Time to go to school.
Time to go to school.
Hold my hand while crossing the road.
Hold my hand while crossing the road.
Look both sides before crossing road.
Look both sides before crossing road.
Here is your classroom.
Here is your classroom.
Say hi to your friend.
Say hi to your friend.
Have a fun day at school.
Have a fun day at school.
I'm feeling hungry.
I am feeling hungry.
Let's have some snack.
Let's have some snack.
Drink some water. Drink some water. Sit down and eat slowly.
Sit down and eat slowly.
Can you share sweet with me?
Can you share sweet with me?
Time to do homework.
Time to do homework.
Let's open your notebook.
Let's open your notebook.
Write your name, please.
Write your name, please.
Let's practice numbers.
Let's practice numbers.
Draw a picture for me.
Draw a picture for me.
Color the picture nicely.
Color the picture nicely.
Let's read a story together.
Let's read a story together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
It's time to take a little rest.
It's time to take a little rest.
Let's come and have fun with bike riding.
Let's come and have fun with bike riding.
Can you please kick the football?
Can you please kick the football?
Wash your hands again.
Wash your hands again.
Put your toys back in the basket.
Put your toys back in the basket.
Let's sing a song together.
Let's sing a song together.
Clap your hands with me.
Clap your hands with me.
Time to set the table for dinner.
Time to set the table for dinner.
Please put the plates on the table.
Please put the plates on the table.
Wash your hands before and after eating.
Wash your hands before and after eating.
Eat slowly and chew well.
Eat slowly and chew well.
Please clean the table.
Please clean the table.
Wash your hands after dinner.
Wash your hands after dinner.
It's time for a warm bath.
It's time for a warm bath.
Scrub your body softly.
Scrub your body softly.
Wash your hair with shampoo.
Wash your hair with shampoo.
Dry your hair with a towel.
Dry your hair with a towel.
Wear your shirt.
Wear your shirt.
Brush your teeth daily before sleeping.
Brush your teeth daily before sleeping.
Floss your teeth before brushing. Floss your teeth before brushing. Time for bedtime story.
Time for bedtime story.
Say goodnight to mom.
Say goodnight to mom.
Hug your teddy bear.
Hug your teddy bear.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Get up.
Get up!
Do it fast.
Do it fast.
Take bath first.
Take bath first.
Go and play.
Go and play.
Say goodbye to teacher.
Say goodbye to teacher.
Take a small bite.
Take a small bite.
Take a sip.
Take a sip.
Clean the mirror with a wet cloth.
Clean the mirror with a wet cloth.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Repeat it loudly.
Repeat it loudly.
Repeat with me.
Repeat with me.
Try again.
Try again.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Be happy.
Be happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Stand still for photo.
Stand still for photo.
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
Come downstairs.
Come downstairs.
Don't move.
Don't move.
Look here.
Look here.
Take it.
Take it.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Be careful next time.
Be careful next time.
What happened?
What happened?
Taste it.
Taste it.
What is this?
What is this?
Show me your work.
Show me your work.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Speak loudly.
Speak loudly.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Come in.
Come in.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Let's study together.
Let's study together.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Have patience.
Have patience.
Don't jump.
Don't jump.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
How did you get hurt?
How did you get hurt?
Are you sick?
Are you sick?
Why are you lazy today?
Why are you lazy today?
Don't disturb me.
Don't disturb me.
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Have some fruits.
Have some fruits.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.